Nagsimula na ang 10-day ceasefire sa pagitan ng Israel at Lebanon na niluto ng Amerika. Pero sa kabila ng tigil putukan, may matalim na mensahe si US President Donald Trump para sa Hezbollah at maging kay Pope Leo. Yan ang agenda report ni Joel Caballero.
Nagbubunyi ngayon ang Lebanon matapos i-anunsyo ang 10-day ceasefire nito sa Israel. Tigil muna ang madugong opensiba ng Israel laban sa Iran-backed Hezbollah matapos ang pag-uusap na pinamagitan ng Estados Unidos.
It's very exciting because it's 48 years. We're going to be meeting with Bibi Netanyahu, as you know, and the president of Lebanon. And I had a great talk with both of them today. They're going to be having a ceasefire, and that'll include Hezbollah.
Play nice ang hiling ni Trump sa Hezbollah habang tinatrabahoan niya ang longer-term deal sa pagitan ng Israel at Lebanon. Sa Iran naman, posible raw na magpatuloy ang peace talks ngayong weekend.
We had to make sure that Iran never gets a nuclear weapon. And we're at that. They've agreed to that. They've totally agreed to that. They've agreed to almost everything.
Would you ever go to Pakistan to seal the deal yourself?
I would go to Pakistan, yeah. Pakistan has been great. They've been so good. Islamabad, I might go. Yeah. If the deal is signed in Islamabad, I might go.
May mensahe rin si Trump kay Pope Leo na una nang binatikos ang kanyang gyera sa Iran.
Iran cannot have a nuclear weapon. If they did, every country, including Italy, where he's stationed, every single country in the world would be in trouble. The Pope has to understand Iran, very simple, Iran cannot have a nuclear weapon. The world would be in great danger.
Nang tanungin kung handa ba siyang makipag-usap kay Pope para ayusin ang gusot,
I don't think it's necessary.
para sa agenda, Joel Caballero, Bilyonaryo News Channel.
Manatiling nakatutok sa Bilyonaryo News Channel. Sumubaybay sa aming social media accounts at mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel para sa mga eksklusibong balita at storya.